so we're going to start out with our eyes primed and brows done, the usual. Taking my holy grail, which is, of course, the Anastasia World Travel Couture palette. And I'm going to be taking the shade Morocco. And I'm going to be applying Morocco at the first half of the crease. This is going to be like our transition color, but our base for the other color that we're going to use up under. So I'm just going to be applying Morocco. Then I'm going to end with the same palette, and I'm going to be taking Fudge. This whole look is coming from the Anastasia World Travel Couture palette, so if you're curious. But I'm taking Fudge, and I'm just going to have a little bit of definition up under Morocco to make it look more like a smoky eye look, but I wasn't really going for a smoky eye, so it's kind of hard to figure out what I was going to call it. Back in with Morocco, and I decided to blend out any harsh lines. And now we're going to be using a concealer, and I'm going to be doing a cut crease with my favorite concealer, which is LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this one is going to be in medium beige. Right now, all I'm doing is setting the concealer. It's very important to set your concealer with a setting powder because your concealer will actually take away from the look itself if you do not set it. So it's very important to set. Then I'm going to be taking this pink color. I have all the shadows names listed below. And I love it because it's like a nice shimmer color, and it's very, very, very vibrant. And you don't really need a base to do so. But you can use the shadow alone, and it's still that shadow where, you know, it can work alone. It can work with the base. It's highly pigmented. So then I'm going to be taking Nior from the palette, which is the black, out of the shade, out of the palette. And I'm going to be taking Nior and apply it to the outer V. You can tell that the black was just a lot to deal with at this point. I didn't want to like overdo the black to make sure it looked like, you know, I have a black eye, but I just wanted to keep it smoky, but at the same time the black really wasn't really cooperating. But we got done with it, so it was kind of hard with the black with this look. You gotta be careful though with black eyeshadow at the same time, because you know it's a perfect eyeshadow to complete a look. Just gotta be careful. Going in with a Chic from the palette, and I'm gonna be taking Chic and applying it to the inner corner and some seam breaks. Can't say no and it show without really knowing how you gonna act, how you gonna handle, what you gonna do when you want to act, what you gonna do, what you can't say. It's not sure but I really. And then I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. eyeliner in black. You know, this is an OG on this channel. And I'm going to be applying lashes after I apply my eyeliner. And then that should complete the look. video. Give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what other looks you'd like to see in the comments below. And I gotta go, and I'll see you soon.